Lots of times we think that we have to have really heavy goals for the new year, but that's not true. They just need to be focused. I am a certified spiritual life coach, and I've helped hundreds of women 40 and over to really focus in on where they want to go in the new year. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to do the same thing. So, this is New Year's Eve 2025, and millions of people all around the Western world are setting goals for this year. But they don't have to be really heavy. What you can do is concentrate on using the Quantum Color Iris Blue. It's the lighter shade in my t-shirt. It's the Quantum Color for focus. So just breathe in this iris blue color, let it circulate all throughout your body, and then breathe out any overwhelm you've been feeling. Breathe in again this wonderful iris blue color, the Quantum Color of focus. Let it circulate all throughout your body, and then breathe out any tension that you've been feeling, any stress about setting your goals for the new year. And then just breathe in this color again. Let it circulate all throughout your body, and just breathe out any tension, any overwhelm you've been feeling about setting goals for 2026. And just relax and maybe close your eyes and just let focus bubble up. And if you're quiet enough, if you're calm enough, what you should be focusing on in 2026 and the new year will just come right up into your consciousness. You can also journal. And if you'd like some help with this, I think you'd like my Calm in the Moment kit. It has a 3-minute meditation that you can use at the start of every day to keep your focus, and you can use it at night to get a great night's sleep. It has a 1-minute reset that you can use to be sure you're focused all throughout your activities every day. And it has 15 journal prompts that might really be handy right now to see where you went in 2025 and where you want to go in 2026. So if you'd like the kit, just comment CALM and I'll send you the link. And I wish you a very, very happy New Year. Feliz Año from Puerto Vallarta, Mexico.